here. Not again. You little troublemaker. Come on.